Okay, anyone hear me? Okay. So today, guys, is another unboxing video. You can't see me because I'm still behind the camera. So I'm just showing it that I got my HTC VIVE Pro. I finally got it. And I want to play some games, but I probably don't have any games that who can play. Can't play with that thing. So I'm gonna unbox a video. I'm not gonna set up the video. I'm not gonna set up the VR yet. I just want to unbox it, and that's it. Probably I'm gonna make future videos when I get some games. Probably Super Hot is one thing I want to play, and some other shooting games, and also VR chat. Yeah, hilarious. So okay, guys. So I found out something that my camera stand, I can put it more higher. Before it's only here. So I'm not sure if it's actually button. No, it's not buttons. God damn it. Wait. Why is it not buttons? Ah, that's why. So is it straight now? Yeah. Okay, it's kind of straight. I kind of ruined my blanket now. Okay, start this. So here's the VIVE, and my hair is annoying. So from where are we gonna start opening it? Let's start first. Come on. Oh fuck, I just broke it. Okay, so here. So here's the box. Here's what's inside. I bought the full kit, of course. But I don't know where to put this. I probably need to buy this camera stand, 2 of them. But I hope it doesn't need to be really high. So I can just put them one in my cabinet and maybe somewhere here. And I think I can connect my Kinect with this for my Xbox. So I have 3 cameras. So here's the VIVE. Let's see. It would be hilarious if this already has been opened and they forgot to put in. Because it's not that heavy. Why is it not open? Ah, there's a tape. Okay, it's not open. Yeah, of course you open it from that location and it still can't be opened. Yep, that's how idiot I am. Wait, right back, I need to find my key. Where's my key? Key. Wait a minute, guys. Sorry about this stupidity of mine. I think I left my key outside. Yes, I did left my key outside. Thanks God no one came in. Okay, so I got my key. Too fat. Make a tiny one. Oh, god damn it, really? What is this? Oh, so it's okay, so we need to set it up. What is this? Is this the blueprint? Yep, it is. Okay. That's for later. So first, which one shall we go first? Okay, let's get to the receiver first. Oh, it's a big box. I'm gonna call them receivers even they're not receivers. Is this wireless? No. Do I need to plug this into a computer? Or I can just plug it in a wall? Alright, so here's the one receiver. So we have 2 here. That's cool. I'm gonna put them back in. You know what? Just let's remove them. So we know. So we got first here and here. 2 receivers. I think here's the wires, but I'm not gonna use the wires. So next is, I don't know what this. Is this to connect? Oops. Yep, okay, so it's like something to do, I think, to turn on, I'm not sure. This is my first time getting a VR. It could be a converter to a different power port, probably. I'm not sure. I could be saying stuff what is not even correct. So I apologize. It's funny because I've been recording this, and my face is not there, it's just my hand and my chest, but that's fine. Because... Huh. Wow. Holy shit. I can't believe that I have actually a VR now. Look at that. How do I remove this? Ooh. Oh, it's bendable. Ah, that's nice. Ah, that's a cool headset. You can bend it. Throw that down there. Go out from your pocket. It doesn't want to come out. What the? Look at that glass. That's... What the? Is this like a magnifying glass? Right, I'm gonna try if I can wear it. It's too small. Is there a way to make it this bigger? Is this how you play? Holy shit. I had to find my perfect weight for this. Is there a way to make this bigger? Oh god. Yeah, that's good, that's better. Whoa, what the fuck? Okay, that's cool. So it's perfect head size, that's a massive head. So I think this is the camera, I'm not sure. How many cameras is this? So there's one, two in front. So I don't know what's this, I'm not gonna adjust that. So let's move it here. Move this thing and this thing. So that's the box. So the next one. That's a cool controller. Wow. Look at that controller, guys. Damn. Pew 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 pew. Oh. So that's one, and that's it. Oh no, just one more. Oh god. This. Oh god. Oh god. Ah no, not the fucking cameras. They're out of focus. So here. So here. I'm not sure what they look like under here. Probably look stupid. So basically it's like this, but I can't see shit. And it looks cool though. So how... Oh, I can make it more tighter here. So I can't see anything because it's not turned on. This cable is a bit... kinda annoying. Wow. Wow. Ow. Ow, my hair. That's cool. So I can be the same like those movies, the Ready Player One. It's actually cool. But I'm always wondering, so how cool is the display though? So that's probably it for the video. That was too less. But I know that there's 44% of the people who's watching my YouTube channel is not even subscribed. So please considering subscribing. It's actually kinda shocking because I didn't know there's a lot of people watching me, and there's not all of them subscribed. So please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to growing it because I'm gonna play more future games with this for sure. Because this will be lovely to play this. Oh yeah, I'm also bought the celebration pack from Battlefield. No, not Battlefield. Battlefront 2. I hope those have VR because I want to play like a fucking Darth Vader. Okay. So thank you for watching, guys, and please leave a like and please consider subscribing. Bye bye. It's funny when I said bye bye and I still need to press the fucking pause button and it will stand up. Okay, bye bye then.